Hey y'all, this is 101 Tailored Tax Tips, the ebook video series. This is tip number 10. Understand wealth building principles and the wealth building formula. And this is still in the tax planning category. The tip is this. The formula for wealth, or a formula I should say, because there are many. A formula for wealth building is compound interest plus leverage plus velocity equals wealth. And each of these components then are principles of wealth building. Compound interest is the idea that we're able to use money to make money. So if you have money invested and it's earning interest, and then you earn interest on the money you invested plus the interest that the money generated. So the money keeps growing that way. Leverage is all about the idea of having access to other people's money. So whether that's money that other investors are willing to put in with you, for example, if you're buying a rental property and you bring some of the money and then other people bring some of the money, and you have you're able to participate in that deal because they brought the money. Or more traditionally, the idea of when you're buying, for example, a rental property and the bank is the one that's bringing the lion's share of the money, 60%, 75%. So you're leveraging the bank's money, right? So you're able to use their money to buy an investment or an asset where you have 100% ownership, but you didn't necessarily put in 100% of the capital. Velocity is the most interesting one because this is about the speed at which you're able to gain knowledge and experience. So velocity is about the pace at which you learn. And the faster you learn, the faster or the quicker you can get to building wealth. Finally, if you believe in this concept of velocity, then you also realize that time is one of the elements if you are interested in building wealth. So the sooner you can start, the better. So let me pause here, y'all, and see if you have any thoughts that you would like to share. Please drop them in the comments. If you have experience building wealth, would love to know how does this particular formula resonate with you? Does that sound about right? Do you disagree? Do you have a different formula, a different approach? I actually know that there are many different ways that people build wealth. Also, if you disagree with the formula, please, let's engage. Would love to learn from you and how you've done it and what I can learn from it and what other members of this channel and group could also learn from you. And then the other concept to share briefly is, if you are interested in building wealth, then one thing that would be beneficial is if your tax strategist works closely with your wealth strategist. And I guess in an ideal world, your tax strategist could be your wealth strategist. All right, so coming back to the end of the tip and the video, if you like this particular tip, please like the video. If you think others would benefit, please share the video. If you would like to be notified when the next video is going to be published from this series, please hit the notification bell. And here comes my disclaimer. I share this tip based on my education, my experience, and my expertise in managing my tax affairs. I am not a qualified tax professional, so I am not offering this tip as advice to you. If you think you could benefit from this tip, you should consult, and you must consult with a tax professional so you can work with your tax professional to figure out whether this will work for you given your circumstances. And I do intend to become an enrolled agent, which would then qualify me as a tax professional, but I have not accomplished that yet. All right, y'all. See you soon. Bye.